I'm Paige Oliverio, and I specialize in outdoor learning and nature play. In our South by Southwest EDU workshop, we'll do a hands-on activity together using common objects found outdoors and talk through different levels of applications for multiple ages and a variety of curriculum requirements. One of the big topics we'll cover is how outdoor learning can help you meet your state testing standards. And I always love to hear your questions and work together to share ideas and find answers. Finally, we'll grapple with some big questions about equity, community engagement, and how schools of the future can reach the most students. We'll talk about how outdoor learning and Mother Nature can help.